Students, exercise 3.2. Question number. Student, it is a two variable questions. Student, half the perimeter of rectangular garden is 36 meter, whose length is 4 meter more than its width. Find the dimension of the garden. Student, let length of rectangular garden be. Let length of rectangular garden be. Garden B. Length we have to consider as x meters. Students, and breadth of rectangular garden B. Garden B. Breadth B y meters. Now student, according to first condition, whose length is 4 meter more than its width. According to first condition. Whose length is x, breadth is y. Whose length is 4 meter more than its width. Student, x is length and breadth is y. Your length x is 4 more than y. Then how can you equalize it? Student, to equalize it, what can you do it? Students, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir, you are audible to me.
Students?
Yes, sir, you are.
Okay, students. Here, length is 4 meter more than breadth. Length is x, breadth is y. To equalize it, what can you do?
X is equal to y plus 4.
वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट, जो आपके पास ब्रेड्थ है वो 4 मीटर क्या है, कम है। किसके कंपैरिजन में? लेंथ के कंपैरिजन में। इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे, ब्रेड्थ के अंदर क्या करेंगे, 4 ऐड करेंगे। स्टूडेंट, एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम्स?
No, sir.
Student, this is your first condition.
No, sir.
Now student, according to second condition. According to second condition. Second condition. According to second condition. Now student, half the perimeter of rectangle is 2 bracket L plus B. Student, it is half means divided by 2, that is equal to 36. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Student, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Now L plus B, length plus breadth is 36. Student, length is x, breadth is y, that is equal to 36. Student, any doubt, any problems? That is your second
No,
equation.
sir.
That is your second equation. From equation first. From equation first. From equation first, x is equal to y plus 4. X is equal to y plus 4. Now student, draw a table and take minimum 3 points. X, y. Now student, if we replace y with 0, then x is 4. If we replace y with 1, then x is 5. If we replace y with 2, then x is 6. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Student, from equation second. Your equation second is x plus y is equal to 36. X is equal to 36 minus y. X, y. Now student, if y is 10, y is 10, x is 26, y is 15, y is 15, x will be 21.
21.
Y is 20. Y is 20. X will be 16.
16.
18.
Okay, student.
15.
Okay. Note down these points. That is your x, that is your x dash, y and y dash. Student, this is your origin. Take the gap as 10, 20, 30, 40. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. Student, that is 10, 20, 30. That is 10, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. Students, 0 to 10, there are 10 small lines. Student, in the graph 0 to 10 there are small 10 lines. Student, 0 to 10 में 10 small lines होती नहीं होती है?
Yes, sir.
होती है.
Yeah.
तो students, then 40. Student, the midpoint of 0 to 10 will be 5. 40. It will be your 40. 40. Student, any doubt? Next is 5-1. 5-1. Student, the mid of this 5 and this is your 1. Point will be here. That is your points. 5-1. B will be 5-1 here. This will be 5-1. And the student, next one is 6-2. 6 and 2 is also there. 6 and 2. 6 and 2. This will be your graph lines. So can you do it? This is your graph line. Now student, 26 and 10. 26, 25, 20 and 30. Midpoint will be 25 and just one greater than is 26. 26 and 10. 26 and 10. That is 26 and 10. That is your D point. Now student, 21 and 15. 21 and 15. 21 and 15. Now students, next is 16 to 20. 16 to 20. 16 to 20. Now students, 16 to 20. That is your 16 and that is your 20. The point graph will be such as this is your graph. This is your graph. And find out the points. Intersecting lines. Student, question number 6 is given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Given linear equation is given linear equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Students, for intersecting lines, another linear equation will be in two variable will be. Student, for linear equation condition is a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. Student, take an example such as a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 for intersecting lines. Another linear equation in two variable will be for intersecting line another linear equation in two variable will be क्या हो सकती है? Students, you have to the condition for intersecting line a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. That is 4x 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. You have to take the variable of y such that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. If you will take 6y, that is a1 by a2 1 by 2, and if you will take 6y, that is or b1 by b2 is also equal to 1 by 2. But you did not take 6y. you have to, the condition for intersecting line is A1 by A2 not is equal to B1 by B2. स्टूडेंट आपको समझ आ रहा क्या बोल रहा हूं मैं?
Yes, sir.
Students, for intersecting line A1 by A2 not is equal to B1 by B2. Condition is such that A1 by A2 2 by 4 that is 1 by 2. हम यहाँ पे 6 by नहीं ले सकते. अगर 6 by अगर हमने ले लिया तो that is 1 by 2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. For that is not condition for intersecting lines. Now we will take any numbers except 6. Except 6 you can take any number, that is 5 by minus 9 equal to 0. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No. Yes, sir.
So what is the reason behind?
A1 by A2 not is equal to B1 by B2, that is condition for intersecting lines. Any doubt? Point is clear?
Clear, sir.
Now student, for parallel lines, another linear equation will be linear equation in two variable will be students, that is for linear equation condition is, condition क्या होती है? condition,
So now we can
student, what is the condition for linear equation for parallel lines? For parallel line condition is,
so A1 upon B2 is equal to B1 upon B2.
for parallel lines condition is
A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 does not equals to C1 upon C2.
very good student. अच्छा, not equal to C1 upon C2. Now you will make to A1 by A2 equal to that is 2x, another will be 4x, next will be 6y, and that will not be equal to minus the given pair of minus 8, that should be not equal, so C2 is not, should not be minus 16. यहाँ पे C2 को minus 16 नहीं लेना, बाकी कुछ ले सकते हो आप. अगर if you have taken C2 as minus 16, that will become C1 by C2 minus 8 by minus 16, that will become 1 by 2. So A1 by A2, B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. That is the condition of coincident lines. But we have to make A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. To satisfy this condition, we will take such that is except minus 16 you can take any numbers, that is plus 17. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Student, for coincident lines condition is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So another linear equation in two variables will be students, or a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Then another linear equation will be
4x plus 6y.
you can take students listen to me. You can take such as that is 1 by 3, that is 6x that is 1 by 3 plus 9y that is 1 by 3, 8 3 are 24 that is 24 equal to 0. In all the case, that is a1 by a2 1 by 3, b1 by b2 1 by 3, c1 by c2 1 by 3. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No.
Yes, sir.
Now students, question number 7. Question number 7. Draw the graph of equation x minus y plus 1. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. First equation. Second is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So now using this equation, draw a table. That is your first linear equation in two variables. Students, x is equal to 1 plus y minus 1. Student, minus 1 plus y. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
X is equal to minus 1 plus y. Take an examples, take the points. Now student, draw the tables. Students, if y is 0, x is minus 1. Student, if y is 1, then x is 0. If y is 2, then x is plus 1. Student, note down these points. Student, that is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. 3x is equal to 12 minus 2y. X is equal to 12 minus 2y divided by 3. Now we have to draw a table. First we will take a point 0. We will take at 0. That will become 0. 12 minus 0. 12 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. That is 4. Now we will take y as 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 12. 0. 0 divided by any number, that is 0. Now we replace y as 3. 3 2s are 6. 12 minus 6. 6 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. So student, these are the points. And draw the Cartesian plane. X dash, y dash. Now student, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, -4, -5. Now student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4. Now student your first point is -1 and 0. -1 and 0. This is your first point. A. -1 and 0. Student, any doubt, any problems? Now student, your second point is 0, 1. 0, 1. That is your second point. B. 0, 1. Now student, third point is 1, 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. That is C. Join these points. 1 and 2. Join these points, students. Now students, 4, 0. 4, 0. D. 4, 0. Next one is 0, 6. 0, 6. 0, 6. Your point 0, 6. That is E. 0, 6. Now student, next one is 2, 3. 2 and 3. That is your 2 and 3. E, F. Student, join these points. Join these points. Now students, this is the coordinates. Coordinates of triangle ADF. Coordinates of triangle ADF. Student, any doubt, any problems? Of triangle ADF. ADF. Coordinate of A, -1, 0. Coordinate of B, 4, 0. Coordinate of F. Coordinate of F, 2 and 3. F points, 2 and 3. Now students, set the triangular region. That is your first linear equation. That is your first linear equation. That is your second linear equation. Set the triangular region. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Student, please complete the exercise 3.2 in your fair notebook.